Hi, thank you for watching Roadmap PM Certification. Today I want to talk about a little bit about the project management framework. This is a big topic that covers all these general things like what is a project manager, what is project management, the types of project management, the phases, the knowledge areas, and the process groups. So today I'm just going to focus a little bit on these, what I consider two very important things. It's the process groups and the knowledge areas because they interact, and there are charts that will show you the knowledge areas and the process groups and all the steps in each of them and how they interact. And this will be very important for the exam, for you to memorize this and understand them and be able to identify them and name them. So let's start with the process groups. Process groups, there's 5 of them, and these are easier to understand. There's the initiation group, and that is when the project's just getting approved and a project manager is assigned. There's the planning. That speaks for itself. All the management plans, the project plans, and this is all done as a team led by the project manager, the planning group or planning phase. Then there's the executing group, where all the work for the project to achieve those project objectives are completed and executed. Next, the 4th one is monitoring and controlling. And this is a repetitive process where you're going to keep track of, what were my objectives, my deliverables, how are they coming along, do they need to be enhanced, they need to be changed, and if so, then we go back to executing. So now right there, that will tell you it does not go in order. Well, the initiating and planning do, but then there's some interaction once the executing begins. Finally, after monitoring and executing, there's the closing. And again, that speaks for itself also. That is when all the project work is completed, all final reports are provided, all invoices are paid, and you have your lessons learned and you close the project. So the next thing are the 10 knowledge areas. And for each of the knowledge areas, I'm just going to give you a few of them. I won't go through the whole list. There's things, like the scope management, communications, stakeholder management, the time management and resources. And each of these knowledge areas will have some activity from one of the process groups. So if you'd like to know more, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my website, and I will send you information every time that I put out some new useful tools for you that will help you pass the exam. I passed the exam the first time. I have some good study information that I would love to share with you. Also, please leave me any comments on what you would like to see, what information you need, what are you struggling with that I can help you with.